Hi, it's Eva here from Stafford Land Rover. Today I look forward to taking you around the approved used Land Rover Defender 110 P400e X-Dynamic HSE. This petrol plug-in hybrid features a 2-litre petrol engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is featured here today in the wonderful Carpathian grey. Starting our journey from the front, you will see your premium LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights. Advancing around, the seamless dynamics are continued as it sits on these 20-inch satin dark grey alloy wheels. And as we come round to the rear, you will see the rear privacy glass ensuring all contents and occupants are safe from prying eyes, as we see the rear LED tail lights. As we open your side hinge tailgate, you'll be greeted with a versatile amount of boot space, along with your home charging cable with a domestic plug socket, making charging this vehicle as easy as plugging in a kettle, as well as your public charger. Looking to your left, you'll see easy to access controls for your electrically deployable tow bar, as well as your electronic air suspension, which I'm sure will intrigue those caravan and equestrian enthusiasts out there. Venturing to the rear of this SUV, you will see your 40-20-40 folding rear seats with centre armrest, ensuring utmost comfort whether it be on or off-road. A quick glimpse into the cockpit of this Defender will show you your 14-way heated and cooled electric memory front seats, which alongside your Meridian surround sound system will ensure every journey is as comfortable as the last. Taking a closer look at your leather multifunctional steering wheel, you'll notice it features a sleek look with easy to access controls such as your heated wheel and adaptive speed limiter. Moving forward, you'll notice your informative digital display which can be tailored to the individual driver's preference, showing key information such as your sat-nav. As we now advance to your 11.4 Pivi Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive and features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and can provide great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your 3D surround camera and your 360 parking aid, which will ensure parking this rather large SUV becomes like second nature. Within your touchscreen, you'll also be able to access your climate control system, which ensures driver and passenger can regulate their own temperature, as well as their heated and cooled seat functions, which can be further accessed as we look down near the leather gear shift, which comes complementary with the extended leather upgrade. You'll further be able to access vehicle dynamics such as train response. Lastly, we look up to see your easy to access controls for your fully sliding panoramic sunroof, which will be sure to bath its occupants in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Defender 110, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. Thanks for watching.